This is the EnergeticSky Walk Traction Ice Cleat Spikes, Crampons. The steel is very strong. It's not made of cheap material, and it says it's the true stainless steel spikes and durable silicone. So this part is the silicone, and the size I bought is the medium, and it comes with the little bag for protection. You know, it got a lot of spikes. You better have this bag for, so put it in. And this too, as the band, you can hold it up like this on the back of the shoes. So one thing I've noticed that on the spikes, the bigger spike is very smooth, so it's not going to cut your skins. But you see on here, they also make a little spikes on everyone. If the bigger spikes goes into the snow or the ice, you still got smaller spikes to stop it from slippery. I think this is a very good design here. And to use it, you know, all the spikes goes down. So you put your shoes, you open it up, you see how big it is. Front is here. So this is the front, and you put your shoes in like this, and then you put it back on. And then so this is your boots. You go onto over your boots and then come back. So in this way, it's never going to lose. So you got two of this. This is very good for winter outdoor sporting, your hiking. I'm happy with this purchase. It's very high-end, good quality spikes. Alright, I hope this video is helpful. Thank you for watching.